Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate my project which is a decentralized voting application done using blockchain. So this is the Git repository of the project and you can see the code structure and all. So I have cloned the repository and also done few changes which are not yet pushed into the Git because it's still working model and yet many changes are to be done. So the tech stack I used for the project for front end I have used React. You can see this folder in the front end folder using React hooks and components. I have made the front end and back end is basically Node.js. And this is this is the smart contract which I have written, and it is this contract is written using Solidity, which is on Ethereum blockchain, and using Node.js. Here is the deploying code of the smart contract, and this is written using Node.js, and we have used Hardhat to deploy the smart contract. So now I'll demonstrate the running of the application. So here in one terminal, first we have to start running the Hardhat node, which will basically what it does is it gives a few around 20 testnet accounts which we can use to register and like use those account for testing purposes. These are the accounts with account and private key. I'm going to use these accounts to deploy the smart contract and also cast nodes. And here I'm going to deploy the smart contract. So you can see using this deploy.js, we are deploying the smart contract, and you can see voting contract deployed to this particular address. And in third terminal, we're going to run in the front end, we are going to start the application. And that's why it was loading. So this is the home. This is for admin. This is for admin. So admin can register the voters who can vote in the application, and this is for voters voting booth. So I'll demonstrate you doing this, and I have also connected with Ethereum and Hardhat is connected to it already, and I have done few transactions using these accounts. So you can see the failed and confirmed transactions also. So basically, what the voter is going to do is, the admin will do is, we have those testnet accounts, right? So I have created accounts in Ethereum also using those testnet details, and admin will get the wallet addresses of these accounts and he will register that voter, and you can see the confirm transaction for this. Yeah. See, success, the voter is successfully registered, and we can do only this using the admin's account, which is the account we deployed the smart contract. So the person only deployed the smart contract is the admin, and he can only register other voters who can cast the votes. So we have registered the account 5 now. I'm getting the account 6 wallet address, and from the same account, register the voter. We got the transaction confirmation. I have done successfully registered. So same process that we will repeat with all the accounts. Confirm. Yeah, it's done. And now we will see. So this voter is registered. We have to connect this voter to the, yeah, this account is connected now. So as it is, so this is the after registration. Now we will see casting the votes. So we have connected with this account and we'll go to the voting booth. So this is the voting booth and the candidates can be seen on the voting booth and same. the person is trying to vote and will get a transaction request, vote casted successfully. And similarly, with using the other account, we will connect with this account now. And there will also cast the vote. You can see I have casted for candidate B, and you can see the live results also. Again with another account. You can see the live results. So this is the basically voting process. And here the admin, only admin registered candidates can cast vote and other candidates can't cast. They won't have access to cast any vote, and there are also yet to be changes done in the project. Here we can see that these results shouldn't be seen live by the candidate after the voting is completely finished. He should be able to see that change is yet to be done. And also future enhancements I'm considering is using zero knowledge concept. Using ZK proofs, we can hide the anonymity of the voter who voted to which person. That can be done. That is one of the future enhancement we are considering, and also we are looking possible solutions for here. The admin have to manually register all the voters. If there are too many voters, it's a bit hectic process, and we are exploring solutions for that too. And you have any suggestions or enhancement that you feel that can be done in the project? We are open for collaboration. Here is the Git repository. Thank you for watching the video.